Wahala. Lesson from Abba Abubakar Defection. My people, politics don scatter many family pass poverty. We don see governors, senators, lawmakers and big politicians jump from party to party like frog for rainy season. Today PDP, tomorrow APC, yet their family still dey eat together. The latest na Abba Abubakar, the son of Atiku, former vice president, wey openly join APC, yet im papa say na personal matter. But for our street, neighbors no dey greet neighbor, brothers don turn enemy. Some don even swear for each other just because of politicians wey no even sabi them. At the end, those politicians go sit together, laugh together, shop together, while our broken relationship remain our pain. The true talk be say, no lose family over party. Party fit change, but blood no fit change. My brother man and sister woman, I salute una. Ado.